I have been known at the beginning of my videos to express my enthusiasm, and this one is no different, but I'm actually trying something completely new today, and that is why I'm extra excited. We're gonna be looking at a closed lace topper today from UniWigs. So here it is. Let's take a look at that cap. So we have this large lace area, and I was kind of curious to know what the closed lace part looks like. So there you see it. So it's almost like being reinforced. I don't know if it almost looks like they double the lace over there, over itself, to create a more robust lace line, or maybe there's some adhesive or something that makes it more solid. So it's gonna be less prone to fraying, I think, because it does appear a little bit thicker, but not so much so that you're, gonna have that standing out on your skin, because you won't, right? That transition area is really nice still. So we've got this whole parting area, some wefting. Of course, we have the soft close clips that UniWigs always provides, and they give you extra clips and a halo wire in the box along with scar tape and adhesive. Okay, so here's our halo wire. So it's kind of like a fishing line, but it's a lot more stretchy, soft, so that's good. So here it is, and you can see that we have this little hook, fabric hook in there. So I can actually just attach, I'm gonna go right through that hook like a bra strap, and then do the same thing on the other side. It's installed in this one. So I'm gonna put this here, wrap that halo wire underneath for now. Oh, I love the halo wire. It just puts everything into place so darn well. Okay, now I'm looking in the camera instead of a mirror, so I'm just gonna go take a quick look and I'll be right back. I'm in different attire. This truly is a piece that I was so pleasantly surprised by that I now wonder, why do we not have closed laced wigs? This seems to be, to me, the most practical way to go about glueless. And that's because one of the things that I hear most from women is how lace is visible. So you can have invisible lace. And I will say, like, UniWigs Swiss Lace Select collection, I'm gonna show you right here, their lace is beautiful, right? And depending on your skin tone, it may melt right into your hand. And if you wanna use adhesives, or not, if you have the halo wire, it's really great, and it does give a really ultra natural finish, especially if you want to wear the hair up off your face. But because I find that as I wear lace, it collects my makeup, it starts to turn a little orange, and I have to stay on top of cleaning it even before I'm ready to clean the actual topper. This negates the need for that and instead just focuses on the parts that I really love, which, is the realistic hairline, the lightweight nature of it, the fact that it's glueless. So if you're someone who loves the look of lace but doesn't want to deal with adhesives, doesn't want to deal with fraying lace, doesn't want to deal with cleaning the lace, this is like the most amazing option, because really you're getting all of that realism but none of the work. So for me, that's amazing. I am such a anti-blender for a hair topper where life is too busy, life is too rushed. If you're wearing a topper for a special event, then the blend, I get it, is so critical. But if you're someone who just wants to get out of the door in a hurry, closed lace from UniWigs is for you, because you can literally throw it on and go out the door. And look at how flush it is laying on my head. I absolutely love it. Okay, so you could clearly see that I didn't curl everything. I just did a few loose curls, and one thing that I noticed right away is how easy it was to style. These curtain bangs, they did a really, really good job with this cut. So the cut comes automatically with it. You don't have to do anything. And I am truly the biggest fan of wear out of the box, because I don't have someone I can trust with my pieces. It means I'd be cutting it myself, and that can't lead to very much good. So I'm a huge fan of when you can just pull it out of the box, plop it on your head and go. And honestly, this is exactly that. I feel like Farrah Fawcett, and I barely did anything at all. So you can imagine if I were to go all the way around my head, curl my bio hair, curl the topper, even though my bio hair is like needing a trim for sure and is significantly longer, texturally different, and of a different color, I still feel like it blends really well. Which brings me to another point. If you are kind of new to toppers, keeping in mind that picking a dimensional color like this mousse brown is going to be your friend if you don't want to dye your bio hair to match. We'll do a full turn so you can see this whole piece. Now keep in mind I didn't curl the back, so it's going to look a little different from the front. But honestly, this is such a beautiful piece. I'm so pleased with it. Thank you to UniWigs for creating this.